In this video, I'll reveal some genius tricks and life hacks you'll wish you knew earlier. From smart solutions to handy shortcuts, these hacks are a must-know, so stay tuned. Take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Now I use sandpaper to rub the cut top, making it clean and smooth. After sanding, I applied glue to the top and fixed another top onto it. I took a matchbox and cut off the striking surface. Applied glue to the striking surface and fixed it inside the plastic bottle cap. Took matchsticks and placed them inside the structure made by joining the two tops. Now, take the matchsticks and strike them on the striking surface to light them up. The creative matchbox is now ready to use. Took a syringe, removed the needle, pulled out the back part, and then cut the syringe. Now, take a balloon, cut it in the middle, and stretch it over the syringe. Took a stick, wrapped tape around it, inserted it into the syringe, and then pulled the balloon. Now hit the target. The syringe air gun is now complete. Remove the steel cover from the top of the lighter. Apply glue to the lighter and fix the syringe needle onto it. The syringe lighter torch is now complete. Press the lighter to release a flame through the syringe needle. Such a creative and exciting idea. First, cut the top part of the plastic bottle. Then cut the back part. Mark a circular shape on the back part using a marker. Now, use an iron soldering tool to cut along the marked circle carefully. The top part of the bottle has been fixed into the back part. The candle stand is ready. Now, light a candle and place it inside. Mark a circular shape on the plastic bottle cap with a marker, then cut it using a cutter. Apply glue to the sharpener, fix the bottle cap onto it, and then securely tighten the cap onto the bottle. Insert a pencil into the sharpener and start rotating it. Sharpened pencil shavings will collect inside the bottle. Take a syringe, remove the needle, and take out the backside as well. Fill the syringe with glue and fix the screwdriver tool inside it. Once dried, the syringe handle can be used to rotate the screwdriver easily. Did you like these DIY ideas? If yes, then like, share, and subscribe for more amazing life hacks and ideas. Thanks for watching my video.